Blood today to help the young woman injured in a car-train collision earlier this year near Miles. Janelle Martinez has that story.
22-year-old ASU student Katy Murray was on her way to work when the unexpected occurred. Crashing with a train, Murray was left with all the bones broken in both legs while unable to walk. After surgery, skin grafts, and months of therapy, Murray is able to walk with crutches.
You know, my whole life I'm going and I think, well, that can never happen to me, but it can happen to somebody, and you realize how thankful you are for life. The sheriff said you have a second and a half to react after you see that train. I mean, anybody would say you cannot react that fast. I mean, I'm lucky I reacted fast enough to turn my wheel, or else I would have hit it straight on.
A credit to patient blood drive at Jim Bass Ford will benefit Murray, as for every 4 pints of blood given, 1 pint will be credited to Murray's hospital account, helping to reduce her medical expenses. Currently, there is a great need for negative O blood type, which is important to have in trauma emergencies.
O-negative blood type is a universal blood type, and I can tell you that when Katy arrived at the emergency room, she was transfused with O-negative blood type because there was no time to blood type her. That takes time. If someone's in an emergency situation, trauma, accident, and they're in the emergency room and they're fighting for their lives and they need blood to stay alive, they can be safely transfused with O-negative blood type. That's why it's so important.
Despite her multiple injuries and long hospital stay, Murray says her family and friends helped get her through the pain and suffering she endured.
My boyfriend, his name is Heath Gassett. We're very, very, very close. Me and his family are very close. We've been together for 6 years now. I mean, he suffered greatly too during this. My whole family did. I mean, having to go to the hospital every day to take care of me. I mean, they never left my side, and I'm just thankful for them.
Murray says she looks forward to returning to school in the fall and regaining her mobility to walk on her own. Janelle Martinez, KLST News.